Hi again, and welcome back to our series on English phrasal verbs. In this series, we are practicing using common phrasal verbs, and to make it fun and interesting, we're using popular TV shows. So first, let's review what we mean by a phrasal verb. So a phrasal verb is a verb that comes with another word, a preposition, which modifies its meaning. Today, we're going to look at the verb to ask. Now, we have a few different phrasal verbs with the root verb to ask. Let's watch this TV clip from the show Glee. Kurt is telling Blaine that he thought Blaine was going to ask him to be his boyfriend. Pay close attention to the sentence that Kurt says.
Okay, can I ask you something? Because we've always been completely honest with each other. You and I, we hang out, we sing flirty duets together. You know my coffee order. Was I supposed to think that was nothing?
What do you mean?
I thought the guy that you wanted to ask on Valentine's Day was me.
The word that was cut is the one that changes the meaning of the verb to ask. Did you manage to catch the word that was cut? If not, don't worry. We're going to watch the clip again. And this time, I'm going to give you two choices. With these choices, the verb to ask can mean either 1. To ask someone to be your boyfriend or girlfriend, or 2. To ask many people about something to find out something. So try again and pick the right word based on the context.
Okay, can I ask you something? Because we've always been completely honest with each other. You and I, we hang out, we sing flirty duets together. You know my coffee order. Was I supposed to think that was nothing?
What do you mean?
I thought the guy that you wanted to ask on Valentine's Day I thought the guy that you wanted to ask out on Valentine's Day was me.
How did you do this time? Okay, let me explain why out is the right answer. When you add the preposition out to the verb to ask, the meaning changes. It no longer means to request or demand something. Now it means to ask someone to be your boyfriend or girlfriend. Ask around means to talk to a number of people to find out something. For example, I need a new decorator for my house. I'm going to ask around and see if anyone knows a good one. Do you see the difference? We have other common phrasal verbs with the root to ask, such as to ask after or ask about. If you want to study these, you'll find them all in your Mosalingua app, along with tips and tricks about how to learn them the easiest way possible. You can also find lots of other useful vocabulary and advice on how to learn a language. You'll be using these phrasal verbs like a native speaker before you know it. Use the links on the screen to download the app for free. And I'll see you again soon for another video about English phrasal verbs. Bye!
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.